Guys, today we are going to learn how to learn Rubik's Cube. You can see this is a Rubik's Cube. Now I will shuffle it and I will learn you how to solve it. Now you can see I have shuffled it. Now first you have to look for any middle piece you can start with. But I am starting today with white piece. First you have to make a cross. Then after that you have to fix the corner in all the same positions. First move, make a cross. So this is very easy. First you look at cube carefully. See, you can see one middle piece is here and one middle piece is here, one middle piece is here and one middle piece is here. Now we are going to place this here, here and here. See, if this is here, we have to just up it and see. This is, now see, this is here, then I am gonna rotate it so it can reach here. Now see, now one more is here. If the situation is like this, you have no need to worry. You can just do it like this and up. Now you have to fix this part. See, this is here, you have to bring here. So you have to just rotate 2 times and up. See, our cross is ready. Now first step, second part. You have to fix all corners. This side means you have this plus, so this piece, this side have to match to a middle piece of that color. This is green, this is matching to green. This is blue, but this is not matching. This is red, but this is also not matching. This is matching. If nothing is magic or one is matching, you rotate it and see. You minimum two pieces have to be matched. Now next move, it is like this. So we have to take this piece here. Take this piece here. Now it is so easy. You can do it by like this down, and you have to rotate it. See, it reached here, and you have to fill it up. Now see, you can see that this piece here is matching with this also, and this also. Now you have to fix the corners. Now see, first you have to take which of the corners you have placed up, you have to take it in third layer. See, I have one in third layer. So this piece, this side has to be matched to middle piece. So we are going to rotate it. See, this is not matching. See, this matched. So you have to turn it here, and if it is left, you have to rotate it like this. Then we have to do left down, then right again to left, then up. So you can see this corner has been placed in his position. is in third layer. So we are going to put in third layer. So for example, a corner piece is like this. We have to put it here. So it is very easy. You can take it one time down and rotate it and pull it up. Then down, then pull it, and see, you get 2 in third layer. So first you have to match the middle piece. See, this has been matched. It is in left side, so we have to rotate it right. Now this down, left down, right again to left, then up. Now see, this much is done. Now we have to fix these 2 corners. Now see, one we have in third layer. So this matching with this middle piece, if it is left, then we have to rotate right. This down, again and up. Now see, we have fixed corner. Only one is left and that is here. So we are going to pull it. See, middle piece matching. Now if left, then rotate it right, then left down, right left and up. See, first layer is done. You have done one side also and first layer also. Now second layer. In this, you have to put corners, you have to arrange this like this. In this, you have to take from here and put it here or here. So, first you have to take this piece and see if it is not yellow. See, this is not yellow, this piece is not yellow, this also not as yellow, this has yellow, so it is piece of third layer. See, this also has yellow, so it is piece of third layer. Now see, this and this we have. Now we are going to take this and put and gonna match 2 middle piece. See, this has gone matched and this down color is green. So we are going to put this here. It is very easy to put. First, if you have to put to right, you have to move it to left. Then you have to put it right down and again left. Then left, then right up. Then see this now what we have learned in first layer, that to put this here we are going to match. Then if it is left, then right, this down and this up. Now see, from this you the piece have reached here like that. Now see, we are going to take this to the middle piece. See, we have got it, and green matching and red is here. So it is here. We have to move it here. So if it is right, we are going to rotate left, right down, left right and up. Now what we have learned in first layer, if it is left, then rotate it right, left down, right left and up. Now see, now green second layer is over. Now we are going to make blue. So see, this is a part of second layer. So I have matched with the middle piece. See, it's blue color, so we have to do it here. Now if it is left, we have to rotate it right, left down, again left right to left, then up. Now what we have learned in first layer, that this we have to rotate down and up. See, oh, one is left. If you have liked this section and you have nothing to do here, now you have to remove this. So it's very simple. You can take any of this to put it here and again put this here. It's very simple. You have to just take any piece and rotate. You have to put this down and this right here, then this up, then again take the white piece up, then see, yes, we have got it. This will be piece will gone here. Now see, so it is right, then we have to left, that down, up, left, and see, second layer is over. Now see, third layer. Third layer is this is a little difficult layer, but faster than second and first layer. In third layer, you have to first make cross. Now I have a L. I have a L. So after this I have to make a line, then a cross. So this is simple. We just have to do it like this. See, first you make an L, then from this side, holding it like this, you have to rotate your opposite side down. See, it has reached. Then this up. See, like this. Then we have to do this up. Then here this. See, this is a very important one. This you have to take it here, and then you have to take this down again. See, a line. Then we have to create here a line and put it down. So our first and second layer also doesn't get disturbed, and a line has been made. So now you have to stand in a straight line, and none of the corners have to face you. So here you have to do like this, means to light this up, then this up, and this up left. Then we have to put this down, then again left. Then the line has made, we have to put it down. See, a plus has made. Now see, you have to match. See, this is plus. What we learned in first layer, that we have to match this piece with here. So as I told, any two pieces has to be matched to the middle piece. So this I am not matching any of one, so I have to rotate it. See, one I matched, only one I matched. Now I will rotate it again. Now see, there are two matching. So if like this you have matched, then you have to do this way. See, you have to hold it like this, that both of them matching, hold to your side, and you have to put this up and see, and you have to rotate it 2 times, and this you have to put down, and this you have to put it left again, then you have to put it up so it get a line. Now put this line down together to complete your first and second layer. Now see, all the pieces has matched. Now after that we have to match our corners. I've already matched my two corners, so might be in my next video it will be not be like this, and there will be another situation, but in this situation we have to see it is slanting, so we have to we have to hold it like this, and you have to put this up and rotate it 2 times and put this down, and this we have to do it here, then this up, then take this up to form a line and put it down. Now this move is not complete. You will confuse in this move, but believe me, it's very easy. You just have to remember it. Now holding from same side, we have done it from right. Now you have to do from left. Left from same move. You have to rotate it 2 times. This down, and this you have got like this up, and we form a line, then you put it down. Now see, our orange is also formed and white is also formed. Now see, only we have to mash these two pieces. Now see, it is very easy. You have finished. Now this is your last step to complete it. Now see, there also same move like that, like I do it for that triangle or that slanting move. You have to do this up and do this 2 times, then this down, this again rotate, and this, and form a line and put it down. And from left side, put it up, rotate it 2 times, this down, and do this, and form a line and put it down. Now you see, you have made a cube. Now thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, and please subscribe the video. Thanks.